What's going on, everybody? Mel, Dark Side of the Grill. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit subscribe or whatever it is we're doing here today. Today's a special little day. We're doing frog legs. So I'm going to show you a real quick marinade. We're going to let them sit for a little bit, do their marinating business. Then we're going to throw them on the big green egg. Green like a frog. It's going to be awesome. So stay tuned. Here we go. Going to open up, take a look at these bad boys. Nice big old bullfrog legs. These are going to be amazing. Here we go. Pulling them out. This is going to be such a simple, easy to do marinade. I'd like to see these guys sitting there for 4 hours. 3-4 hours for sure before you cook them up. Here we go. Look at how beautiful they are. So fresh. So fresh. Toss them right in our bag. Right in our bag. You can do this with a bowl. You can do this in a Tupperware. However you need to do it. I prefer these in here. So much simpler. Now guess what? You guys have Italian dressing? The fatter the better. Get on it. A splash of Italian dressing. You don't need tons. Just enough to coat it. There you go. A little bit of pepper. Coarse ground pepper. Always my favorite. There we go. Salt. Now I like my salt on my frog legs. I find it really helps get that lemon in there and that vinegar from the dressing. So we're going to go probably a half a teaspoon. That lemon. Also, secret weapon, hot sauce. All the time hot sauce. This is Heartbeat hot sauce from Thunder Bay, Ontario. Deadly company. Love them. Love what they're doing all the time. This is a little fruity blend. The pineapple habanero. So I'm going to give them a little squeeze. Most of that's going to cook off, but that's okay. And then, to finish it off, usually I do fresh lemon. This is a quick one. Super simple for you at home. A real hearty squeeze of lemon. Seal it up. Give her a nice, I like to get that air out of there. Boom! Mix it up with your hands a little bit. Rub it around in that meat, and then guess what? Guess what? We're going in the ice box for, like I said, 3-4 hours. I'd like to see 4 hours on these. And then we're also going to use some of this to back it up with the sauce after we're done. On that big green egg, we're going to grill these hot and fast. None of that reverse sear business on frog legs. We want these hot and fast with a nice grilled grate. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. All right, everybody. Our frog legs have been marinating just over 4 hours. You take a look at them. They're looking fantastic. We can't wait to get into these. That flavor should have set just right. I'm going to show you how to set up your big green egg for a cook like this, a live fire cook. We're going to do 2 stages. We're going to cook them half on this grill, and then we're going to finish them off with a live fire. It's going to be deadly. First thing we're going to do, crack our vent, crack our grate, open it up, see what we're dealing with, see what we left like last time. I still got fresh coals in here, so I don't mind. It should be okay. We're going to take half of that plate setter out. That'll give us the charcoal on the one side, open fire, and then this side will be protected. We're going to run this baby up to about 400 degrees. Going to be a good time. I'm going to show you my magic trick now. For those of you who don't know me, it's by firing the whole stick. This is how I like to light my charcoal. Absolutely beautiful. This is a Star Wars gun. It's also a flamethrower, right? Tiger torch. You know how it goes. I'm gonna light my coals like this, get them nice and red in the middle. It gets going to cook a lot quicker. Absolutely love it. A million different ways to light your charcoal. If you like doing the slow and steady way, you can put those little balls in there, some damp paper towel with the olive oil, whatever. It's up to you. I like to do this because I like to do it now. I like everything right now. I'm a quick and easy kind of guy, so here we go. You can see it's already lit, but I'm going to heat everything up a little bit extra so that we can get to cooking these right away. Right away. Also, I'm going to be putting that marinade in my saucepan. I'm going to put my saucepan over here on the heat, so when I'm grilling the frog legs, I'm also going to be heating up that marinade, adding some olive oil, probably some garlic in there, and cooking this down to paint over the frog legs as they're grilling. Going to be amazing. Going to let this get up to temp, and then we're going to start to grilling. Okay, now that we're approaching temp, It's time for us to get grilling these frog legs. Got our beautiful live fire set up on this side, indirect on the other. I'm gonna start with my saucepan. Take these frog legs, give them a pinch, pour that beautiful marinade out into this saucepan. We're gonna bring this up to a good cooking temp so that we can baste these guys. Paint them while they're grilling. There we go. Every last little tasty drop going in there. And now for fun, evolution, garlic olive oil. Why wouldn't you? I absolutely love this olive oil. So we're gonna add that to the mix. Right, got our mitt, and we're gonna slide this over. To a nice hot spot here. Make sure our grill is nice and clean. Get all those little bumps off that are gonna rip up our frog legs. There we go. We are ready to roll. Take these guys out. Like I said, we're doing more of a hot and fast. So we're gonna let them sit indirect to get, I wanna say half the cooking. I wanna get half the cooking done, indirect, and then we're gonna roll them over the open fire, char them up a bit, get them nice and crispy, and finish it off. Frog legs, definitely don't want to overcook them. Definitely don't want to overcook them. And there we go. Let me bring you in and see exactly what we're looking like. There we go. Indirect, beautiful. Live fire, there you go. Saucepan going. This is how I like to do my frog legs. Get back to you in a couple of minutes here when we're ready to hit them on the open fire. So 160 is the limit we're looking for an internal temperature. These guys have been coming along just fantastic. I'm going to bring you in here a little bit. See what we're doing for the tail end of this. And loosen you up a little bit. There we go. Perfect. So here we go. Live fire's been going nice. This sauce has been cooking down a bit, which is exactly what we want to do. Every once in a while I'll hit this, I'll baste it. Baste it, but we're ready for that live fire now. We're ready for that bit of action. Also, as this sauce cooks down, I'm going to throw some garlic or some butter in there. And that's going to be our sauce to go over it when we're done. So there we go. There we go. Toss them up on that live fire right now. Ooh. Remember, these are super gentle. You have to be super gentle with these because, yeah, they're quite delicate. Quite delicate. We're on the last lap now. I'm going to slide this guy over to the indirect. Indirect where she's going to get her butter. Just an itty bitty bit. To make that sauce. Cooking down, cooking down. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can really smell those herbs in the dressing. This is the fun and games of cooking these little beauties, let me tell you. One of my favorites. Just gently roll them over. There you go. You don't want to break those little legs, do you? Oh. That would be a good time. See where we're at. Oh. 125, 35, 47, 150. All right, we're right in the ballpark now. We're gonna do one more baste. Let her just sit there for a minute. And then they're coming off onto the plate. Ooh. While that's finishing up, You're going to want to have fresh lemon to serve with these bad boys as well. Just a little spritz of that. Definitely going to up your game. Go with that garlic and the olive oil. Alright, that's it. I'm calling them. Loosen them up just ever so gently. On the plate, those beauties go. Then, this guy's nice and hot now. Hey, isn't that pretty? Beautiful little frog legs. Gonna give it just a bit of that juice. A little drizzle. A little drizzle, 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 drizzle. Something to soak in there. Oh yeah. There we go. And that's it, ladies and gents. Frog legs, live fire, big green egg. So pumped to bite into this. Thanks for following along. Make sure you click subscribe. Have a great day, everybody. You know what? I was gonna leave it at that. Leave you checking these beautiful things out and hanging, but I can't do that. Frog legs cooked on the big green egg. Look at this. Look at how soft and juicy. Kind of tastes like chicken. But that's it. This is no fork today, people. I want you to see it for what it is. It's that good. Thanks for following along. Cook deadly stuff like this. Hit subscribe. Love you.